The unprecedented circumstance here is the fact that a federal executive stole government classified documents, kept them for over 20 months, acknowledged to taking classified documents, returned parts of them, then returned some others, attesting to not having any more, then refusing to cooperate after being found out that they had more, and then a warrant being executed on their premises. And 2 weeks after that, they assert their privileges and take it to a specific judge. And that judge asserts equitable jurisdiction because this is an unprecedented circumstances. The unprecedented circumstance is the fact that this executive took these materials, and the fact that he had to return them shows that it never belonged to them. The burden of whether these documents belong to Donald had to show them. And Donald didn't show that in the filings with the special master. It just said that, no, we need a third party to come in and look at it. Why? If you claim that these things are privileged, that you have the right to have them, then you go to court specifically saying, no, give them back. Why the special master? Give me back my documents. They're mine. And here are the reasons why. But he's not doing any of that. And the principle of equity here falls in favor of the government, because the government has been, through the National Archives, through the Department of Justice, has been working with Donald's lawyers for months and months and years now to get these documents, because they figured out that they didn't have these documents as soon as the National Archives got whatever documents that they received after Donald left. It's not hard to do. Something is missing, you figure it out eventually. And then you go looking for it, and then you find it, and then you ask for it back. They give some of it back. They don't give some of it back. Then they give some more of it back, and they say, okay, we don't have any more. Then it's found out that they have more, and then they have to give it back. They don't want to give it back. And then they go to court saying that they are mine. I want somebody else to come and tell you that they're mine. No, I don't want them back right now. I want somebody else to tell everybody what is government. So he's not saying that I don't have classified documents. It's the most absurd, outlandish thing to happen in a judiciary. It's the most flagrant exercise of judicial overreach and malpractice that you can. And if she is thinking that this is conservative because she is chiseling out and allowing the government to do all this work except for the content of those seized documents, then she's jaded. And she thinks that she can hoodwink people into thinking that this the over-scalpeled approach is in any way equitable